For today's lesson, we are going to learn about antonyms. What is antonyms? Antonyms are the words that have the opposite meaning. For example, happy. What is the opposite of happy? Sad. So, happy and sad are antonyms. Let's have more examples here. Laugh. Cry. Girl. Boy. Quiet. Noisy. Big. Small. Hard. Soft. Full. Empty. Fast. Slow. Clean. Dirty. Up. Down. Short. Long. Open. Close. Sick. Healthy. Correct. Wrong. Baby. Grown up. Cold. Hot. Let's have a quiz. Kids, what is the antonyms of happy? The correct answer is sad. What is the opposite of big? The correct answer is small. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.